I gave 4 strangers the same $100 in 24 hours. A trust fund, baby. Honestly, $100 is what I tip my barista. A 9-5 worker.
I budget everything, including my coffee.
A small entrepreneur.
I've failed 8 businesses already. I'm ready for number 9.
And a broke guy with literally $0 to his name. I currently have $4.28 in my bank account. But here's the twist. Their starting advantages or disadvantages will change the outcome. Same cash, different futures. This is the Matthew effect in real life. The rich get richer, the poor get poorer. Let's begin. Each of them gets the same $100, but this isn't a fair fight. And you're about to see why. Challenge 1. They have 2 hours to flip the $100. Broke guy has no network, no contacts, no car. Do you have any work I could do? I'll wash cars, sweep, anything. You sure you can handle it? Absolutely. I just need a chance. All right, start with that car over there. Thanks. You won't regret it. Earns $12 total. Defeated, but not quitting. Trust fund baby buys a ring light and instantly launches a luxury unboxing TikTok account. Dad, quick favor.
What now?
Can you transfer $500? It's for a challenge.
Seriously?
Yeah, totally for a challenge. Promise.
Fine. Sending it.
Thanks, Dad. You're the best. 9-5 worker. Runs around taking Uber Eats and DoorDash orders. Profit very slow, but steady. Entrepreneur starts selling cold drinks at a busy park. Turns $100 into $160 in the first hour. He's already flipped a profit. Trust fund baby. $600 because of the transfer. 9-5 worker, $40 profit. Entrepreneur, $160. Broke guy, $112 total. This is the Matthew effect. The trust fund baby didn't even use the original $100 properly. He just had advantages. Challenge 2. Now they must invest all their money into something risky. Trust fund baby buys crypto, because of course he does. If I lose it, I'll just ask for more. 9-5 worker buys supplies to resell snacks at his office. Very safe, very boring, very him. Entrepreneur invests everything into ads for a small digital service he offers.
If this hits, I win the whole challenge.
Broke guy invests in buying old chairs to clean and resell. He learned it from a TikTok side hustle video. It's all he can afford. Trust fund baby, crypto crashes 20%. 9-5 worker sells half the snacks, makes small profit. Entrepreneur, his ads start popping off. He gets 3 clients in an hour. He's skyrocketing. Broke guy, nobody buys the chairs. He's stuck. This is where advantages stop being fair. Same effort, same starting money, different outcomes. Why? Because the rich can afford to fail. The poor can't. Final challenge. They get 1 more hour to multiply whatever they have left. Trust fund baby calls his influencer friend with 3 million followers, promotes his new TikTok page, gains traction. His brand deal earns him $1,000. 9-5 worker continues selling snacks, makes another small amount. Entrepreneur closes 2 more clients. He's now at $1,420. Broke guy still trying to sell the chairs. Nobody bites. He's at $80 after buying supplies. He sits on the sidewalk frustrated and says something powerful. I'm not lazy. I'm not dumb. I just don't have room to make mistakes. That's the realest line in the whole video. Final reveal after 24 hours. Trust fund baby, $1,600. Small entrepreneur, $1,420. 9-5 worker, $160. Broke guy, $80. Same $100. Completely different destinies. This is the Matthew effect. But here's the twist. Which of them should we fund with $10,000 and force the same strategy? Type broke, trust, entrepreneur, or 9-5 in the comments section. They must invest it the same way the broke guy invested his. Why? Because we want to see what happens when a person with nothing finally gets the same opportunities as everyone else. This is where things get interesting. If you learned something today, subscribe. This challenge showed something real. You may not start with a trust fund, but you can start with momentum.